So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file a claim on eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com and I suggest you log into your account. Through there you can see account settings, sign out, you can see daily deals, some other options on the left side, on the right side, watch list, and go to my eBay. On there, summary, recently viewed, bids and offers, watch list, purchase history, buy again, and so on. So on here, go to purchase history. And you will see the orders and the recently viewed, some other options you will have on here. So through unpaid, returns and cancel, and many more filters, you can find the orders that you had and some items that you bought. On there, you can go and request a refund, start a claim. What does that mean? It means that you have an issue with the item that you bought and that you and the seller have some sort of a dispute or some sort of an issue. So first contact the seller to fix that issue to get your refund, but initiate that claim or request as well, and then try to talk it with the seller. If the seller ignores you, if the seller doesn't comply, you can initiate help through the help page money back guarantee option on eBay. So through here, I will just show you how it will look. And you can see here purchase history, as I said before, and you can go and file a claim directly with the eBay itself. So there are articles that will help you out to get what you want and think deserve through eBay. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.